d by dx, it is 1. Okay, so this is the math. So what will you do?
স্যার আপনি কাউকে কোশ্চেনে লন লিখেন নাই।
Okay, now can you do then? Okay, I'm going to do it. Or I may be wrong. Anyway, please. Ln x means what? 1 by x. It is 1 by x. Ln x equals to 1 by x. D by dx x. This can be written as 1 plus e to the power x by e to the power x. Now, it is a formula 1 plus e to the power x whole square. Then v d by dx u minus u d by dx now you have to calculate. Okay, 1 plus e to the power x by e to the power x into 1 plus e to the power x whole square 1 plus e to the power x. Okay, it is only e to the power x minus e to the power x. 1 is 0, so e to the power x is e to the power x. Now you see this 1 plus e to the power x, 1 plus e to the power x will be omitted. Okay, so we are left with e to the power x into 1 plus e to the power x in the denominator. And in the numerator, we can take e to the power x common. So if e to the power x is taken common, so we are left with 1 plus e to the power x minus e to the power x. This will be omitted. This will be omitted. So our answer is 1 by 1 plus e to the power x. Perhaps I wrote this answer. Yes, it is. Then question number
10.
Question number 10.
8 নাম্বারটা করে দেন না, ওটার অ্যানসার তোমার আশেপাশ দিয়েও গেল না।
স্যার 8 নাম্বারটাও করে দিন।
Question number 8. D by dx root over e to the power root over x. Is it? Then we can write it d by dx e to the power root x, it is power half, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I have actually not done this function. Then it is half, it is half e to the power root x half minus 1. Again, d by dx. Okay. Then what is x? E to the power root x. So it is here 1 by 2 e to the power root x power minus half. It is e to the power x, e to the power root x, d by dx, root x. That means here we are getting half into, it is what? It is in the denominator. So we can write here root over e to the power root x. It is e to the power root x. It is 1 by 2 root over x. Okay. Now what is the answer? You see. Now you see 1 by 4 root over x. 2 to 4 root over x. Now suppose it is x and it is root x. Our answer is what? Root x. So it is x, it is root over x. So it is root x. I mean, we can write here, you see, root over x. Root over x. X is what? X is e to the power root x. So here we are done. Root x by math is done. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. E to the power root over ln sin x d by dx e to the power root over ln sin x. What is the formula? E to the power x is e to the power x. Okay, another thing we can do here, you see, dear students, e to the power x is e to the power x ln sin x. E to the power x means e to the power x. Then d by dx root over ln sin x. E to the power ln sin x dot d by dx ln sin x whole to the power half. That means e to the power ln sin x into half.
স্যার ইয়ার ফাংশনটা হবে না লন sin x এর
বুঝ নাই। Tell me again.
স্যার এর আগের লাইনে দেখেন পরে সরি এই লাইনেই লাস্ট লাইনেই
হ্যাঁ this one দেখো আমি ভুল করি না। You see again. Talk to me where you cannot understand. E to the power x, e to the power x. This is to be differentiated. Same thing. It is power root, so it is half. Okay.
না স্যার ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
Okay. Now you see. It is again e to the power root over ln sin x. It is what?
স্যার
Yes.
আপনি কি লাস্ট ক্লাসের রেকর্ডিং দিয়েছেন?
No. It will be. It will be today. Then half root over ln sin x. It is minus half. As it is minus half, it will be in the denominator. Then ln sin x equals to what? 1 by x. It is 1 by x. And sin x is to be differentiated again. D by dx sin x. Then we are getting here. It is what? Sin x is cos x, right? It is cos x. So cos x by sin x equals to cot x. Cot x e to the power root over ln sin x by 2 root over ln sin x. Is it the answer?
স্যার আপনি আগেরবার
স্যার আপনি আগেরবার অন্যটা লিখছিলেন।
Answer?
জি স্যার।
No.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
এটাই তো আসছিল আমাদের, তো আমি ভাবলাম ভুল হয়েছে তাই আপনাকে এটা আবার করতে বললাম।
আপনি কতে হ্যাঁ স্যার এটা লিখেন নাই আসলে অন্য একটা অ্যান্সার আসছিল।
Actually, then I'm sorry, but this is the answer. Then question number, which one? All are done, right? Now we are going to question number 12. Thank you very much that you could do most of the sums. Question number 12, important, write down. Important, the most important math. D by dx. Oh my god, sine square ln sec x. It is power 2. So it will be 2 sine ln sec x, right? Is it? Now let me know what is x here in this math. What is x?
Sine ln sec x.
ln
Yeah.
sec x.
ln
No.
sec
ln sec x.
No,
পুরা tail sine ln sec x.
your x is this.
স্যার এক্স থেকে আসলো?
Very good. What is the differentiation of sine square x? Let me know. 2 sine x, then d by dx sine x. So this is 2 sine ln x. It is done. D by dx. You see, this is sine x. That means this is sine. Oh, it is not. Sorry, this x won't be. Sorry. Have you got it?
জি স্যার
This x won't be. Okay. Now you see. 2 sine ln sec x. What is sine theta? Sine theta. What is sine theta?
cot theta.
Cos theta. Then d by dx ln sec x. Right? Talk to me.
Yes sir.
Now you see 2 sine theta cos theta. Same thing. 2 sine theta cos theta equals to what? Sine 2 theta. Right? What is theta? Theta is ln sec x. It is theta. Sine 2 theta. 2 theta. Now it is ln sec x. Ln means what? 1 by x. So 1 by sec x. D by dx sec x. Please try to understand. Okay. Now we can write here sine 2 ln sec x into 1 by sec x. Sec x is what? Sec x tan x. Now we see they are omitted. Sec x will be omitted. And we are left with what? And we are left with, you see, it is tan x, it is sine tan x sine 2 ln okay, this is the answer. Yes, we are right. We are absolutely right. Do you understand?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Going to question number 13. Sorry, not that 13. D by dx ln x minus root over. Can you do it?
হ্যাঁ স্যার চেষ্টা করি।
What is ln x? 1 by x. Is it? It is ln x. 1 by x. Then d by dx x minus root over x square minus 1. That means we are getting 1 by x minus root over x square minus 1 into d by dx. It is what? It is what? 1 minus, it is what? It is power half. Its power is half. So half x square minus 1, power is half minus 1, then d by dx. I have skipped online. Only online has been skipped by me. Actually, it is power half. So this is half. Here we can write x minus root over x square minus 1. It is what? 1 minus, it is, you see, 2 root over x square minus 1. It is minus half, right? Minus half means this. Power is minus half. That means what? Root over, and in the denominator as it is minus. And you know, this is only 2x. 2 will be omitted. This 2 will be omitted. X minus root over x square minus 1. Here we can get the LCM. LCM is what? Root over x square minus 1. Is it? So we are getting here what? Root over x square minus 1. Okay. Minus x. And we are differed by only a minus sign. Have you seen? Same thing, but we are differed by a minus sign, right? So we are getting minus 1 by root over x square minus 1. We are differed by only a minus 1. Yes, it is the answer. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 12. 14. D by dx sine 2x degree. One day I told you it is to be converted into radian. Can you please remember? So you write down here 180 degree equals to pi radian, right? Then 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. Is it okay? Then we are getting here x degree. So x degree equals to what? Pi x by 180 radian. Talk to me. So we are getting here d by dx sine 2 into what is x degree? Pi x by 180. Talk to me. I have just put the value of x degree only, nothing else I did. Is it okay? This is sine, this is 2, 2. This is the value of x degree. Now we get here d by dx sine 2 into 90, right? 2 into 90 equals to 180. So we can write here pi x by 90. Now what is sine theta? Is cos theta. Sine theta is cos theta. But here theta is pi x by 90. Okay. So we're getting here d by dx pi x minus x1b. So we are actually getting here pi by 90. This x1b, x is what? 1. X is what? 1. So pi by 90. And here it is cosine pi x by 90 right now. Cosine pi x by 90. We are done here. I think I've got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The most important math now I'm going to do. The most important math. Question number 15, write down the most important. The most important. D by dx 2x degree cosine 3x degree. D by dx 2x degree cosine 3x degree. Now, can you please tell me what is the value here? X degree equals to what?
Pi x by 180.
Okay, we can show it. Let's to show it. 2 into x degree equals to what? Pi x by 180. Right? X degree. Then cosine 3x degree. 3 into x degree equals to what? Pi x by. Talk to me. Where you have not got it. I think you have got it, right? That means d by dx, it is only what? Pi x by 90 cosine pi x by 60. Okay. Now you see it is the format of the formula of UV. It is U and it is V. Okay. Now what is the formula of UV? It is U. Please pay attention. It is U d by dx V cosine pi x by 60. U d by dx V plus V cosine pi x by 60. It is V. It is V into d by dx U. D by dx U. What is U? U is here pi x by 90. Talk to me. I have just applied the formula here. That means it is pi x by 90 cos theta equals to what? Minus sin theta minus cos theta equals to what? Minus sin theta. It is theta. Cos theta equals to what? Minus sin theta. But you see here theta is not only theta, so it is to be differentiated again. D by dx pi x by 60 plus cosine pi x by 60, and here it is done. It is to be differentiated pi x by 90. What is the derivative of x? Is 1. So we are getting here only pi by 90. Pi by 90. Now you see it is minus, so minus pi x by 90 sine pi x by 60 d by dx pi x by 60. So x is 1, so only pi by 60. Here pi by 90 cosine pi x by 60. What is common here? What is common here? This pi by 90. Okay. And here you see this is pi by 90. So I can take pi by 90 as common. Pi by 90 can be taken common. This pi by 90. So we're left with cosine pi x by
স্যার
60.
কমন না নিয়ে ওইভাবে রাখলেও হয় না?
But you can take common, right? And very easy and simple thing. You have to learn, okay? You have, or you are here to learn. Then you will come to know. The word is at first learn. Then know. You are here to learn. After learning, you will know. Okay? Don't try to know at first. Try to learn at first. What a language, right? Okay. So we are getting pi by 90 minus, you see, this is pi by 60 into x. So we can write here pi x by 60. This is pi and here x is left. So pi x by 60. Here sine pi x by 60. This is the answer. Okay. Pi by 90. We are absolutely right. This math is given in the exam always. And every time the students fail to do. Now we are going to question number 3. This is question number 3. 3(1). D by dx a to the power ln cos x a to the power ln. Please try to understand. What is the formula of a to the power x? Can you remember?
So a to the power x into ln a.
Very good. That means a to the power x. X is what? This is x. A to the power x into ln a. A is a, no difference. Which part I have considered as by x?
So
What
ln
is x?
cos x.
You're right. D by dx ln cos x. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So what should be done here? We can carry it like a to the power ln cos x into ln a. D by dx ln x. Ln x equals to what? 1 by x, right? And this, it is not only x, so it is to be differentiated again. Now, can you please let me know what is cosine x?
So minus sign.
So sine by cosine equals to a tan. So if I write down here minus tan x at first, cosine is minus sine x. So sine by cosine is tan, right? Now we are left here a to the power dot a to the power ln cosine x dot ln a. This is the answer. Okay.
আচ্ছা স্যার, একটা কোশ্চেন,
Yes.
আমরা কি আজকে 4 নম্বরে যেতে পারবো?
Actually, we don't have. Number 3 is the last. Why you're asking me this?
এতগুলা কেন?
You are being bored. But the students love to do calculus, you know. Question number 2. And I like it. D by dx 10 to the power ln sin x. Let me know. Here 10 is to be considered as by a. That is a to the power x. Let me know. A to the power x is what?
স্যার
Yes.
3 নম্বরে কয়টা ম্যাথ আছে?
That there will be
লন এটা কোথায় গেল?
there
Ln
will
10.
be
লন 10 এটা, হ্যাঁ
there will be ln a, right? So a to the power x ln a dot d by dx ln sin x. Is it okay now? Now you see 10 ln sin x ln 10. It is what? Ln x. Ln x means what? 1 by sin x. And then d by dx sin x. Now, can you please tell me sin x equals to what?
To cos x.
So cosine x by sin x equals to tan cot x. So if I write down here cot x, then I think you will come to understand. Okay. 10 to the power ln sin x dot ln a. I mean ln 10. It is the answer. Have you got it?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Question number 3. Important math. D by dx e to the power 2 ln 10 5x. Okay, do it. I want to see who can do it. If you can do it, you will be awarded. Do you like to be awarded? Okay. d by dx. We can do here e to the power ln a square tan 5x. Let me know where you have failed to understand. Is it or not? It is not, right? Talk to me. You are
না স্যার এটা না ln
then
10
how to
5x এর উপর হোল স্কয়ার
very good. You are absolutely right. It is the math. You're getting this math because earlier I did 2 times this math in limit and in 9.2. Now for the third time I'm going to do it. And even I can declare not third time, if I do it for 10th time, for 10th time, you will also fail to do. Anyway, you see. What is the formula of cosine 2x? Let me know regarding cosine. Regarding cosine 2x equals to what? 1 plus cosine 2x equals to what? Am I right? Is it? That means cosine 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So we can write here cosine x minus 2 cos square x minus 1. Can you please talk to me?
x/2 হবে না?
No. It is 2x, its half is x.
ও আচ্ছা, সরি স্যার।
Nothing about being sorry. You can ask me. Okay, now we are getting here. Tell me. 1 minus cosine x. Here what we are getting? Can you please let me know? If I write like this, 1 minus 2 cos square x plus cosine x is it? Very good. If I go for writing this, if I write this, will you come to understand? 1 plus cosine x minus 2 cos square x actually as the descending order of power. Is it? Now resolve into factors. D by dx. Can you factorize? It is 2. So 2 into 1, 2. That is 1 plus 2 cos x minus cos x minus 2 cos square x by 1 minus cos x. Right? You just see the factorization. It means d by dx. Here 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 cos x minus cos x into 1 plus 2 cos x by 1 minus cos x. Right? Now you see 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x will be omitted. So we are left with d by dx 1 plus 2 cos x. And we know derivative of 1 is 0. And we know derivative of 1 is 0. So again 0, it is plus 2. What is cos x? Is minus sin x. So here we have the answer minus 2 sin x. Important math, very, very important. If it is given, you will fail to do because you will fail to recall your memories. Okay. The last math, d by dx ln cosine x by x. Will you do or I will do?
স্যার আমরা করি।
Okay, do it by yourself. What should be done? Let me know. Very easy and simple, x square, right? Then it is x d by dx ln cosine x minus ln cosine x d by dx. It is x. Talk to me. We are getting x. It is x square. What is ln x? Ln x equals to what? 1 by x, right? This cos x again is to be differentiated. So I am doing it at a time. Minus sin x. And it is only minus ln cos x. So actually we are getting here minus x tan x minus ln cosine x by x square.